Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, and today we have a 2019 Nissan Navara SL dual cab ute, stock reference number 4948. This shape runs from the 5th month 2015 and is the current shape. It has a YS23 DDTT 2.3 litre 4-cylinder twin turbo diesel engine backed by an automatic 4-drive transmission. YS23 DDTT 2.3 litre 4-cylinder twin turbo diesel engine. We have the radiator grille, right hand headlight, left hand headlight, left guard has one small dent, left power door mirror, left front 16-inch steel rim with a good tyre. Both left hand doors appear to have no damage. Left hand tail light, right hand tail light, driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with black cloth interior, black cloth center console lid, automatic console, automatic gear shifter, heater controls, factory touchscreen media player, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, sunglass holder type, left hand sun visor, right hand sun visor, instrument cluster, and a tidy 3-spoke vinyl steering wheel with cruise audio and phone buttons. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.